Hey guys, this is how to play Brawl Stars on repeat.gg. So first thing that you will do is go to repeat.gg, and this will be the homepage of their website. And from here, just click on login over here if you have an account. But if you don't have an account, just simply click on sign up, and you can sign up with Google, Facebook, or email. So it will be depending on you, and just simply provide the necessary information to proceed. And now guys, once you have logged in, just click on select platform over here and go to mobile. And from here, as you can see, the only available games that they have is Brawl Stars. So click on it. And from here guys, right away, you will see the tournaments that are available. So from here, just simply try some tournaments. As you can see over here, let's say I'm gonna enter this one, Power League solo or teams, and it is a free entry guys. So I'm gonna go for this one. And from here, you can join the tournament when you click on add game over here. So just simply click on add game, and after that just connect Brawl Stars and just simply log into your account and just simply provide the email and password of Brawl Stars and log in with your Supercell ID. So now guys, once you are logged in, you will be able to automatically join the tournament. And when you click on a prize pool, this is the prize pool that they have. The rank 1 will get $50, rank 2 will be $30. So from here, you will have the information about the prize pool. And when you go to the scoring, this is the scoring points that they have. That if you get a 1-game win streak, you will get 60 points. 3 games, 150 points. 2 games, 105. And if it's a draw, you will get 0 points. And you will have here the rules. And from here, as you can see, you will have here a description about the rules of this competition or tournament. And there you go. That's pretty much it. Just simply add your account and you'll be able to automatically join. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.